A 6-page response was drafted by Mayor Patricia in response to a complaint that was made against her for failure to deal with a no-confidence motion that was filed against town clerk Royston King by former Deputy Mayor Sherrod Duncan. The mayor was represented by attorneys at law Lyndon Amsterdam and Latoya Roberts. The mayor explained that she was informed that there was a motion against the town clerk and instructed that it be placed on the council's statutory agenda on March 12, 2018.
On March 12th, motion is tabled.
And what took place?
There was, on the 20th of 1, the town clerk.
Now, what took place? Don't refer to law. I want actual facts. What took place on the 12th of March?
That is what I'm saying to you, what happened on the 12th of March.
Yes, tell me.
What happened on the 12th of March, when the motion came, the town clerk offered a legal advice.
Town clerk offered a legal advice?
Yes, he did.
In a matter in which allegations were made against him?
Yes, and he's the town clerk, and he did that.
The town clerk should recuse himself from that, any participation or proceeding or at the meeting.
Chairman of the Commission, retired Justice Cecile Kennard, questioned the legal advice since it was advice that was given to Mr. King and not to the council. The chairman opined that the council should not have acted on the advice by Magistrate Maxwell Edwards.
The council acted on the advice of Mr. Edwards, isn't that so?
Yes, it did.
But this was advice which Mr. Town Clerk sought in respect of his personal interest, not advice requested by the council.
Yes, but the town clerk is also there to advise the council.
He's a suspect, so to speak, in this case. He's going to get his own advice and place before the council, and the council will act on that advice. Is that right? In this particular case, Mr. King should recuse himself from the proceedings because serious allegations were being made against him. And then Ms. Edwards wrote a letter to Mr. Duncan threatening to sue on behalf of the town clerk. So how could that lawyer, that advice given by Ms. Edwards, be accepted by the council? It beats my imagination.
Attorney Amsterdam argued on the complaint, which was made against the mayor, and said that the issue was dealt with at the council's statutory meeting. Justice Kennard then told Mistress Chase Green that the commission will ensure that proper people are placed at the council.
I read the motion, I read the advice, and the council agreed that it should not be accepted.
You placed the legal advice before the council?
Yes, I did. That was my duty. And I placed it there because I could not have given a legal advice on the matter that was tabled. Had the advice been not accepted and the motion...
That is the reason as to we get proper people to head the town clerk and the mayor and deputy mayor. People with some sort of legal...
I take offense to those.
Well, the thing about it is...
Mr. Amsterdam, if she had some legal training, she would have said to us, Mr. Edwards acting for the town clerk, you think it's right we accept Mr. Edwards? Or shouldn't we go and ask somebody a little guidance?
As the cross-examination continued between the mayor and the commission's legal personnel, there was a cross-development.
Madam, please don't ask the lawyer questions. You're there to answer questions.
But I'm answering, but I did not appreciate the question you asked.
Well, see that. Don't attempt to be rude.
I'm not being rude.
You're attempting to be rude.
No, I'm not. I am not attempting to be rude.
If you want clarification.
Take that sort of attitude to the city hall, not here.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm not attempting to be rude, and I will not be rude in here.
Can you shut up and listen to the question?
Well, I will not be able to answer questions.
Well,
The public hearing has been extended to October 31 to accommodate further cross-examination of the mayor. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Yanis Abrams.